How to make creamy tomato rigatoni. Making delicious creamy tomato rigatoni is easy. Here's how. What you need: 1 pound rigatoni pasta, 2 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 small onion, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon red chili flakes, quarter teaspoon pepper, 1½ cups cream, and 1½ cups pasta sauce. Step 1. Chop the onion. Step 2. To a pot, add water and some salt and bring to a boil on high heat. Step 3. When the water boils, add the pasta, turn down the heat to medium-high, and boil for 8 to 10 minutes while stirring occasionally. Step 4. Preheat a large pan on medium heat and add the butter. Step 5. Add the onions and cook for about 3 minutes until the onions are tender. Step 6. Add the garlic and stir for 30 seconds. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Step 7. Add the tomato sauce. Step 8. Add the cream. Step 9. Stir. Step 10. Add the seasoning. Step 11. Add the Parmesan cheese. Step 12. Stir well and simmer the sauce until it slightly thickens. Step 13. Add the rigatoni. Step 14. Stir until the pasta is coated with sauce and then remove from heat. Step 15. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top and enjoy! Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more tasty recipes. Bye for now!